Hello beautiful! Today I'll show you how to do a fun bright summer cocktail party look. Interested? Then keep on watching. And as you can see, I'm starting off with a primer to prevent my eyeshadows from creasing. Once this is done, you can go on to your eyeshadows. Using a flat shading brush, apply a bright turquoise color to a moving lid. You might want to apply the eyeshadow with some dabbing and short blending motions in order to prevent the fallout. Also make sure to leave your crease blank because we're going to add some purple pink color in there. Speaking of pink color, grab your fluffy dome brush and apply this color with sweeping motions to a crease. Apply the color step by step because then your final result will look beautiful and really well blended. Today I'll be using some white color on my highlight area. It is very easy to blend pinks and whites together, so if you are a beginner, it won't be a problem to you. Now the final eyeshadow color that we are going to use today is black. Using a pencil brush, I will apply this color to my crease in between of my turquoise and pink eyeshadows. Don't apply too much black color onto your brush immediately because you really might spoil your look. Do that step by step and blend really well. Then you might also want to take a large fluffy brush and do a little more blending. You actually have to be really patient with this look. Now take a small shading brush and add some black color to your lower lash line. It is time for eyeliners, false eyelashes, and mascara. Start off with a black eye pencil and apply it to your waterline. Then apply some black gel eyeliner close to your upper lash line. And on top, apply your falsies. Add some mascara to your lower lash line, and then you can move on to your cheeks and lips. On my cheeks, I'm slightly using some pink blush. And on my lips, I'm using a bright pink lip gloss. And here's the final look. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay always happy, healthy, and beautiful, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks, and bye.